Hair braiding has been around for thousands of years and has been seen practiced in a variety of cultures worldwide. It is without question that among these cultures, one that has been extremely impactful to today's society has been the African hair culture. Cornrows, box braids, locks, Ghana braids, and many more has been seen on the forefront of braiding techniques practiced by both male and females internationally. In recent years, hair braiding, especially among males, has seemed to appear as something recently created and discovered, when it has just merely re-emerged into the spotlight. For all intents and purposes, it should be highlighted that men had always had a close relationship with their hair on record for thousands of years. For some, the intricate braiding of the hair indicated which tribe they belonged to. Warriors and kings were identified by their braided hairstyles. Still largely throughout West Africa, Sudan, and the Horn of Africa, cornrows can signify one's age, religious beliefs, kinship, marital status, wealth, and also a form of self-expression. In addition to women, men used shells, glass, beads, corals, and twigs, among many other items, to adorn their cornrows and express their personalities. Ancient Egyptian pharaohs wore locks, which appeared on tomb carvings, drawings, and other artifacts. Thousands of years later, mummified bodies have been recorded with their locks still intact. Another popular reference to ancient hair culture among men can be seen among the Nazarite in the Bible. They abided by several strict rules, one of which included abstinence from cutting their hair. The story of Samson is actually the most popular. It is said that Samson had 7 locks, and the strength that he possessed was in his hair. In the 1960s, hair within the black community became a form of political and cultural statement, and in some instances, a form of protest. In the diaspora, hair braiding has lost its connection with symbolism regarding tribal connection or identity. This could be attributed to the fact that our history and culture has been lost as a result of the transatlantic slave trade. As such, one nation was forced to assimilate into another man's culture. To summarize it all, hair braiding among men can be credited to many reasons, including but not exclusive to protective styling, self-expression, political statement, fashion statement, cultural significance, or simply following a trend.